In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to record a video on a Chromebook. So, in a previous video, it'll be linked below, Timmy made a video about how you can record the screen of your Chromebook. So it's a video of everything that's happening on your Chromebook, a bit like what Timmy's filming at the moment. But in this video, Timmy's going to show you how you can film a video, an actual video with the camera on your Chromebook. So if you want to use the camera on your Chromebook to film a video of you speaking or something like that, then you can do it using the steps in this video. So to record a video on your Chromebook, you'll need to open up the camera app. So to do that, you just need to go down and click on this circle here, and then click on this up arrow here. And now you'll need to find the camera app somewhere in here. You might have to scroll down 1 or 2 pages, but Timmy's camera app is right here, and it'll look like that. And then you'll just need to click on it to open it up. And now you'll be in the camera app. But it is set to photo across the bottom here. So you just need to click on video. And now it's ready to record a video. So to begin recording your video, once you're here, you'll just need to click on the record button here. And now it's recording. So now it's filming everything that happens on the camera. So it's filming Timmy right now if Timmy looks at it. And it's recording the audio as well. And if you don't want it to record any sound, you can actually click on this microphone button here. And now it won't record any sound through the microphone. It will just record the video. So that might be something you want to do. But Timmy will click on it to enable the sound so that it has sound in the video. And while you're recording, you can also pause the video if you want. So if you click on this pause button here, it will now pause the recording. So while you can actually see Timmy moving on the screen now, it won't actually be recording any of this. So maybe if you wanted to stop and cough or go and do something else and then come back or something, you could record it, you could pause it like this. And then when you want to resume recording, so it will start again, you just need to click on this record button, and it's now recording where it left off. So that can be handy at times. And it can also take a picture while you're filming. So if you click on this button here, it will actually take a picture and continue filming. So you can do that as often as you want. And then once you're finished with recording your video, you just need to click on the red stop button here. And now it's stopped recording. So now you have your recorded video saved to your Chromebook. So if you want to find the video so that you can share it with people or watch it back or something, you'll just need to click on the Files app here. And then under My Files here, you'll see there's this camera folder. So you need to click on Camera. And now you'll see all the files that have been taken with your Chromebook's camera. So these are the 3 images that Timmy took by clicking the picture button. And up here, this MP4 file is the video. So then if you double click on it, it will start to play the video. You can click here to play it, and now you're watching the video back. So that's really cool, and then you can just close it like that if you want. And that's all there is to it. Now you have the video file on your Chromebook. So that's really cool, but there are a few extra settings in the camera app Timmy wants to show you. So if you go back into the camera app, there is this button over here where you can mirror it. So if you want to change the way the camera is flipped so that it's flipped the other way to be like you're looking into a mirror or to be a different way, then you can do that. Timmy's going to leave it this way because Timmy prefers it this way. But if you want it to be the other way, you can just click that button before you start recording, and then it will be the other way. And you can also add a grid, which can be handy if you're trying to make sure your face is lined up in the middle of the shot or something. So if you click on this grid button here, you'll have this grid, and now you can line up your face in the middle box or something like that, and that can be good as well. But Timmy will click there to remove the grid. And the last extra feature is a timer. So if you maybe want to put your Chromebook a bit further away from you, and then you can start the recording on a timer and run back into the shot before it starts recording, you could do that as well. So if you click on this timer button here, it'll be a 3-second timer. And now if you click on the record video button, it will count down 3, 2, 1. and now it will start recording. So it'll give you a chance to get ready to start the recording, which can be handy if you want. And Timmy will just stop that. And so that's really cool, and that's really all there is to recording videos on your Chromebook. If you wanted to do a screen recording, you can click on the link in the video description down below. But that's really all there is to it, so hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, please click on the thumbs up button down below, and Timmy will see you in the next video.